Is your Chevy Traverse failing to turn over or just clicking when you hit the ignition? Statistically, 70% of no-start issues on this vehicle are caused by simple battery or terminal failures. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to find your specific culprit. Start by testing your battery voltage, cleaning the terminals, and checking the starter relay fuse for continuity. If the battery is fine, focus on corroded cables, a failing starter solenoid, or a faulty neutral safety switch. When the engine cranks but won't catch, look toward fuel delivery issues or a faulty crank position sensor. You can handle most electrical repairs yourself, but major timing or computer issues belong in the shop. Here is the typical cost breakdown for the most common no-start repairs on a Traverse. Use an OBDI scanner, a multimeter, and a fuel pressure gauge to pinpoint the exact failure point. Make sure you have a basic socket set, a wire brush, and proper safety gear before popping that hood. Remember, never force a crank if you hear grinding, as you could cause severe internal engine damage. Thanks for watching, and always double-check your battery connections before calling a tow truck.